10 coolest gadgets you need in 2022. We all love the arrival of new gadgets. Something that will make life more convenient and entertaining is what we expect from every new gadget. So hello there everyone, today's video is packed with the coolest gadgets that you need in 2022. Before we start, all the product links from the video are in the bottom of the description. If you are interested, please take a look, and let's get started. Number 10. Unique. Pottery has always been art that's well appreciated, so no surprise if there is an integration of technology to make it more fun and productive. Unique's pottery wheel machine set is a modern version of the traditional wheels to help you master the potter's age-old art. It is smaller than a typical potter's wheel that we all know, but capable of promoting creativity. With the mini pottery wheel, you can still create cups, dishes, and vases with different colors and a touch of your own uniqueness. The turning wheel is interchangeable for two sizes, 45mm and 65mm. You can make different sizes of pottery with a giant turning wheel. Modern high-torque motors are powerful, yet consume little power, enough to run on batteries entirely. Unique has an internal 7000 mAh battery, which allows it to run non-stop for 4 to 6 hours. To facilitate easy cleaning, all the components of Unique are coated with a dirt-repellent coating. Number 9. Omnia. You deserve quality audio output in your space or when you feel like taking the fin outside. Omnia is an all-in-one high-end wireless speaker built to give you access to top-notch sound quality. Omnia is not just about its capacity. The view is also giving. It has a beautiful multi-layer wood top and a walnut finish, which delivers a homely and traditional ambiance. With a broad suite of digital and analog connections, you can optimally interact with the system's fantastic performance. The built-in phono stage, in collaboration with the included interface adapter, helps you connect your turntable. Senso, which is Omnia's touch-sensitive interface, allows you to directly control the system, with an additional remote operation available via the supplied handheld controller, and users' smartphone or tablet. It also features Crescendo, an advanced signal processing system with a greater sense of immersivity, cleverly utilizing the two full-range side speakers. Omnia is available for $1,999. Number 8. Wireless wearable finger mouse. Wearable mouse for anywhere, anytime. Conveniently controlled with the tip of your finger by equipping on your index finger. Additionally, the design and the weight releases pain on your wrist. The ring has a sensor which provides the functionality of the mouse, such as click, sweep, scroll through different gestures that are similar to how you use the trackpads on a laptop. You only require 2 fingers to operate this mouse, as opposed to your whole palm, and it's more versatile. You can use it everywhere freely, like on top of your desk or on your legs. It doesn't need a specific pad or surface. You can continue using your keyboard while wearing the ring mouse. Just tap the end of the inside twice to disconnect so it won't misinterpret any gestures. Number 7. Velotric e-bike. Here's the perfect electric bike for you to enjoy a smooth ride all around your city. Mounted with a Tesla-grade 692 watt-hour removable battery, certified battery, you get to enjoy a long-lasting trip, so it can take you up to 80 miles on a single charge. Also equipped with a 500-watt powerful motor and a 65 Nm torque to ensure a flawless riding experience, even on uneven surfaces. There are 3 levels of smart pedal assist with 12 magnetic cadence and speed sensors that help to create the most natural riding experience. The reinforced aluminum step-through frame makes it possible to easily hop on and off the e-bike, indeed with particulars piled on the hinder rack. One last thing, the e-bike is easy to clean and has IPX5 waterproof, breaking the weather barriers for your ride. Velotric e-bike costs $1,799. Number 6. Eufy Video Smart Lock. Shoppers certainly aren't hurting for options when it comes to smart home security solutions, with dozens of companies offering full ranges of intelligent cameras, video doorbells, and connected door locks. This lock includes the company's rapid processing fingerprint chip, which it says can recognize your fingerprint in as little as 1/3 of a second. For the security cautious, fingerprint data is stored in the lock itself, and it never is transmitted over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. In addition to onboard fingerprint sensor, you can also lock and unlock your door using the Eufy Security mobile app, the on-device keypad, or even a good old-fashioned physical key. Along for the ride is the optional auto lock feature, which locks the door for you if you happen to forget, and can be activated either on a schedule or after a time delay, after detecting you've closed the door. As for the video functionality, Eufy gives us a 2K camera, sporting a 160-degree field of view. The door-mounted unit is powered by a rechargeable battery that Eufy claims will last up to 120 days with all features turned on. It's designed to withstand the elements with an IP65 rating and has an operating temperature range of -22 degrees Fahrenheit and 158 degrees Fahrenheit. The product is available at Eufy website for $400. Number 5. Metal Sprockets. A level of satisfaction this adult toy brings is unmatched. Built with stainless steel, the toy looks rigid, but you won't be surprised on how flexible it can be when you're playing with it. You can roll it on the surface or give it a satisfying spin. You can use two simultaneously. It would cost you $17 to get this. Number 4. Gamma Jacket. Whether you're hiking in the mountains or popping into town for a coffee, the heat-insulating design will warm you up in a matter of seconds. Gamma is the only jacket you'll need all year round, all around the globe. Gamma Jacket is a durable, lightweight insulated jacket that doesn't compromise function or fashion. Building on graphene's amazing properties, Gamma is your everyday jacket, your travel jacket, your activewear, and your going-out jacket. Did you know that harmful UV rays can penetrate many light jackets, windbreakers, and raincoats? This can cause burns and skin damage when outdoors for long periods. Gamma is UV-proof and keeps your skin safe from the sun when you're outdoors. Number 3. Oscillum. Working, presenting, reading, or watching movies with your smart device has just become a whole lot easier with Oscillum. Oscillum is the world's first 10-in-1 flexible standing desk for a more effortless work-life experience. No worries about sitting or standing too long. You can easily switch to your most convenient position. It features a built-in power strip with 3 outlets and 6 USB ports for your laptops, tablets, or smartphones, and also an under-desk pull-out drawer to store some of your essentials. There's more. You have a built-in wire management tray to store your wires safely. There are also headphone hooks, lockable casters, and a powerful control panel. Swivel casters rotate 360 degrees, meaning you can move the standing desk quietly and safely. The child lock function ensures maximum protection of kids around, and the anti-collision feature prevents the desk from hitting or crushing other objects while moving. Oscillum costs $169. Number 2. Fingertip Gyroscope. You need to take a little break to bring your mind and to think up to a whole, or you need to relieve yourself of stress. The Fingertip Gyro Decompression EDC spinner helps you release anxiety and stress while fidgeting with the toy. It has a very portable size to fit in your palm while conveniently playing with it using your fingertip to get rid of boredom and keep your mind together. This spinner costs $257. Number 1. Octagon One Plus. An elegant lamp that serves as your best bedside or table companion for any angle makes it more functional for your daily use. Octagon One Plus is a smart desk lamp incorporated with a touch-activated alarm clock, hexagonal base, and designed with 100% sustainable natural wood. The inbuilt rechargeable battery makes it a wireless desk lamp, and the shape of the base allows it to be positioned at 4 different angles. The natural wood hexagon contains 36 strong LED light beads with a light diffusing cover. It delivers a direct, bright light in whichever angle you deposited it, and you have 4 options of intensity that works for you. With a digital ultra-modern timepiece face erected in the hexagon base, you no longer need a separate alarm clock by your bedside table. The clock displays fade away from the wood surface when it's quiet and come up again if you give a gentle touch or a tap beside the table. This device costs approximately $156. That's it for today. We will see you soon in our next video. Also, check to the right for more of these videos, and check to the left to subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching.